up guys, welcome back to the channel. I am back, I am alive. This is our customer Joseph's car. I'm sure you've seen in the last video we did the comparison of both the stock and non-stock. He's back for the Aero Kit today. He went with the V6 front splitter, the V1 side skirts, and then the V2 diffuser, which is my favorite diffuser right now. And all gloss black, so throw a little contrast. He's still gonna load the car, but we are putting the front liner on his car right now, the black liner. We do offer this in red, white, gold, and black. So if you're interested in the liner, you can add it to your order whenever you purchase this. So gloss black, looks so good. I think he should have done the gloss black as well right here, but he didn't do that yet. And by the way, our Black Friday sale is live, so make sure to take advantage on our website. Everything is up to 40% off. I don't know what's exactly off, but everything's up to 40% off. So if you're interested, make sure to hit our website up online, grab what you need. Everything's running out of stock fast. And then over here we have some more wings that's going out to some of the customers. Sapphire blue, some royal blue, some ignition red, and then another set of flares going out to the customers. I'm gonna give you an update on our WRX that's currently at the exhaust shop. We're doing some custom axle backs and exhaust systems. So we're gonna get a car back and install the prototype axle back. So I'm gonna show you guys a video of that later. It's pretty much the one on Dre's car that you see last week. And then we're gonna be installing the Cobb access port, which I had a plug to hook it up on the access port. Finally see how much power we're gonna make. And over here you see the wheels already on last week's video, the Koenig. Actually a very popular set of wheels that everyone liked. Oh, by the way, they were sold already. And then we have these new set of wheels here. These are the Volks RE30s. Club Sport 2 discontinued wheels, 18x10 with a 40 offset, 265/35. Looks super good, super lightweight. I'll drop a picture right here as you can see. These are sold too already. So originally I was gonna plan to run these, and but I guess people like the tees better on Instagram, so we're going with that. So after this, we're gonna head to Elite Wraps and finish the other World Rally Blue. There's like 6 World Rally Blues that we're doing the whole makeover right now. So hit us up, guys. You're keeping me busy, man. Very busy. I gotta go. See you guys later. Hey guys, so we are heading to pick up our WRX at the exhaust shop right now. I'm very excited to hear our prototype exhaust. And then we'll hit up, pick it up, drop back out the shop, and then we're gonna head to Elite Wraps to work on the other WRX and get you an update on our M3. I haven't talked about our M3 in a while. Who the heck keeps... Yeah, so we're gonna give you an update on the E92 M3. Elite Wraps been wrapping it. We've been putting the new suspension on. A bunch of crazy stuff. So we're gonna update you guys a bit, and I will see you soon to the exhaust shop. These are our new prototypes, the 4-inch muffler delete setups, axle back we're planning to do right now. So let's get a cold start and let's see what it sounds like. I'll be right back. Alright guys, let's get a cold start on the new prototype axle back. This will be available in the next few months. Let's hear it. I'm excited. Alright, you know, it's pretty it's pretty deep. I'm excited. I think it sounds pretty good. Probably gonna drone a little bit because we have all the deletes in the back and whatnot. And then what happened here? Oh, just kidding. I'm actually working on something right here. I told the boss, I was like, hey man, what if we get this color match gloss black, you know, just fill all this out. So I'm gonna try that right now. Well, it's getting painted right now, so we're gonna see how that looks in a few minutes. So ignore this. I do apologize. And then have you noticed we took off the emblems already? And I feel like it's kind of naked. So I'm gonna put back a gloss black WRX badge and super badge, or maybe just WRX only. Comment below, let us know what kind of badge we should do, or just leave it blank. I don't know, I kind of like it with a WRX, maybe just me. But yeah, here's a cold start. It sounds really good. Let's get some short flybys real quick and see how it is. So I hope you like our new exhaust, custom exhaust that we just did. This will be available in the next few months, I think. I gotta ask boss, I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna head to Elite Wraps right now. I'm gonna put the car away. I gotta clean that bird off the hood. It's been there for like 5 days, probably ate the wrap, but we'll find out. See, we'll test how durable the wrap is, you know? Literally a bird, it's been there for 5 days. I keep forgetting to remove it. Also, our cop access port is here. So we're gonna do that next week. I'm gonna go take this thing to the dyno, get some real power gains, and show you guys, all the differences. If you don't know what the access port, I'm gonna show you guys what everything is explained to you next week. So we're gonna head to Ely Wraps right now, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, so the bird we officially it kind of ate the vinyl. So I'm gonna have to take it back to Ely Wraps to get it wrapped. Alright guys, so don't ever leave bird on your wraps. This is what happens. Damn. But at least I protect my paint though, I said. So bummer. Guess we'll take this back next week. Alright guys, we're back at Ely Wraps. To my right, which is to your left, we have another Pirelli blue. Yo, where's all the ice silvers and solar orange or the metallic grays? Cause we've been doing so many blues, man. So hit us up, guys. So Kevin got the trunk off already. Gonna install the wing, V1 wing, and then we're gonna do the flares back. Waiting for the side skirts. Oh my God, where are the side skirts at? And the grill. Alright guys, so customer got the color match side skirts, the flares, the whole shebang again. It's gonna look really good because he went with the gloss black grill instead of the silver. Anyway, so we're gonna go update on our M3. I was gonna do a review for the M3, but you know what? We don't got time, so we're gonna show you what it is. So here's our E92 M3 update. We went, that's almost done. It's like almost done. We have so much stuff we have to change, and I'll explain everything. For example, our suspension, it was on air suspension. And we had to remove that, and it was a lot. We had to rip out the whole interior. So Kevin's amazing. Look, check out the inside. This inside looked like chaos. Cause every time I see this, I get headache. Oh my goodness, there's so much stuff everywhere. Look at this. Like, how you gonna put all this back? Look at the shift boot. Look at this. Like, I didn't know this is possible. But shout out to Kevin. At Ely Wraps, he knows what he's doing. He's been working on cars for I don't know, since I was born. Who knows? But yeah, he got the whole suspension, air suspensions out right here. A lot of stuff. I don't know what I'm looking at. I don't know about suspensions. But shout out to ISC. They hooked it up with some coilovers, Subaru coilovers. So shout out to ISC for the coilovers. We're gonna get that back. We were planning to get the wheels done, get new wheels, but we couldn't find any wheels. But we're still planning right now. We're still thinking because the car's not done yet. So we have time to get the wheels on. Now is the time. But we painted the stock wheels satin black, which is somewhere. I don't know where it is. Here is the ooh, actually look pretty good in this lighting. So we're about to put these on, but I decided last minute maybe get some T37s, of course, or some BBS FIs or some FIRs, something like that. We don't know yet. And then here's our front lip, our GT4 front lip. We're gonna put it on. So the cars look really sick. It's super loud already, you guys know. The color, oh, I didn't even talk about the color. This is a Nosotech, like midnight purple looking. I never seen midnight purple M3. Probably like 30 of these out there already. I don't know, but it looks sick, especially with the black wheels. And check this out. I love how you can see our titanium exhaust with the blue and purple. It looks so sick. I haven't driven this car in like 3-4 weeks now. I'm very excited. Look at the back. Wow, we fixed all the paint issues and wrap everything over. So shout out to Ely Wraps again. They're hooking up again. Make sure if you want to get your stuff wrapped, they do the best of the best of the best of the best. No shortcuts, no BS. Ooh, that rhymes. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's it for a little short update. Our WRX, like I said, we're gonna install the co-op access port. I'm very excited for that. Finally, we make some power. Everyone's talking like, why are you always doing wheels? Why are you doing aero stuff? The company's called Aero. But but we're gonna put some on, put the access port on for you guys. Get some dyno numbers, get some more boosts. I'm very excited. And stage 2 down pipe. Oh, so much stuff coming. I'm very excited. That's it for this. I guess he considers a vlog. You know what? This will be our official first vlog. And then we have the VB meet coming up next Sunday. Oh, so I'm gonna make the post tomorrow. So remind me, cameraman. So we're gonna get a post on. So if you're in SoCal, we're gonna have a huge meet with all the BBs, and we're gonna go cruise together, make some new friends and whatnot. I'll probably look hella short from Ignore here, But anyways, that's it. It's Friday. Go home. Powerball, $1.5 billion. If I win, you're never gonna see me again, guys. All right. Have a good one. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.